As you saw, my original steering wheel is still on the car. If you follow my channel, that steering wheel was totally disaster, but I didn't change it. I hate to change original things on cars, so I customized it for myself, and I didn't do it by myself, but it's perfect now. So I don't have full process, but I have some pictures and videos before and after, so you can judge is it better or worse than it was. And yes, I bought another car that will be on the channel soon. I'm going to roll these photos and videos, and I hope you will like it.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow, sensitive, feel the afterglow, looking for things that I can't control, fear from my past cause it always shows. Do I wanna try, can I let it go, running from the past, wanting to be sure, chaos in my mind, constant deja vu, but every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu, but every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling, whoa, but it tastes bittersweet, whoa, I keep on falling, whoa, I like the taste of it, whoa, I'm still falling, whoa, but it tastes bittersweet, whoa, I keep on falling.
That's my way to restore a car, and I prefer to save everything that can be saved from factory. So that's all for today, and see you in the next video. Bye!